So I got a bird. Hold on. Gotta make it brighter here. My phone. But I got a tern with a fish in his mouth. I think it's a tern. I'll film the actual name of the bird, but yeah, he has a fish in his mouth. That is awesome. Being homeless, I do get to see a lot of cool stuff that I am going to start filming like this. For a lot of people that don't get to see things like this. My name is Steven Roof. I appreciate whoever watches my videos. But they even have this protected, this tree, because of these birds. Yeah, they feed off the ocean, then they fly back with fish and feed their young. Let's see if I can get closer. Let's see if I can get closer. But yeah, he has a fish. Very cool. Very cool. Looks like he might have two fish, actually. Yep, he has two fish. That's pretty cool. Very awesome. Yep, he's got two fish. Very awesome. Yeah, living on the road is different. Pretty cool. I can see why these are protected. They feed off the ocean. Yeah, it's wild. Very cool. Got two fish ready to go. I'm not sure where the nest is, but pretty cool. Come on in. White terns. Nesting white terns. Very cool. I'm sitting here promoting my book at the beach here. I'm promoting my book pretty much. And somebody might have got in trouble. Their cops are kind of going around. Yeah, here's my Starbucks. My sunglasses. Oh yeah. Please check out Kalichi's Helping Hand, The Diary of a Drifter. I love watching the sailboats as well. This girl's really kind of working out there. Yeah, Hawaii's very different. There's a lot of stuff going on around everywhere I go. This is my neighbor. He's a really good guy. Lives under the umbrella. He's been here a long time. Runs around collecting cans behind me. He'll run around raiding every trash can and basically recycling. But I appreciate whoever watches my videos. And thank you guys. This is Honolulu, Hawaii. There's buildings over there as well. But yeah, this is Honolulu. I appreciate who watches these videos. Thank you. Please subscribe and smash that like button. And share these videos with as many as you possibly can. I really appreciate it. Helps get my 2 books out there, and especially Kalichi's Helping Hand to save people from overdosing. And I also took that book to the EMS captain of the EMS here in Honolulu, Hawaii, and I also took the book to the police station too. So I really appreciate who gets Kalichi's Helping Hand out there. Really gets people off of bad drugs. Thank you guys.